Here is a hair clipper from Lilipro with the model number L4, and it looks like this, as you can see. And I have to say it's a full metal body, back and front, all metal body. Okay, got a clicking lever, fade blade, and okay, in the back, got a 3 hours charging time. It's rating 3 hours charging time, which is good. Got 5 clicks. 1, it's already on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. Okay. Okay, the box looks like this. Let's put this aside. The box looks like this. Lilipro with a model number L4 and with a graphene fusion blade. On their website, it wasn't this blade that comes with it. It's like a fusion blade that comes with it. But I got this one, and it's not the blade that I saw on their website, which is bad. Okay, got a 8,000 plus RPMs. So this side. Okay, the back side. A high torque 8,000 plus RPM motor, includes 6 magnetic limit combs, ergonomic all metal body design, 2600 milliamp battery, and got 300 minutes runtime, which is good. And this one, they said it's a graphene fusion blade. Here no, but on the website, I'm gonna show the picture right here. It's something different. So it's like they are lying, about the blade. Okay. So now inside it comes like this. Okay. The manual. Okay, charging dock. This a solid one, I have to say, it's solid. And it's not slippery, which is good. As you can see, it's really good. Lilipro. Okay. Inside the box, got a screwdriver, little brush, charging cable, and it's a USB-C. And you got the guide combs, and it's a magnetic one, as you can see. But I don't really like this comb. Okay, this is the smallest one. Okay. It's a little bit, I don't know, it doesn't feel, it's okay. It's okay, but I don't know, it's a little bit shaky. It's moving, as you can see. That's why I said I don't really like it. Not because of the material I said I don't like it. But it's moving. You see that? Okay. Stated on the box, it's a graphene fusion blade. So I'm gonna put a picture here, right here. I'm gonna put a picture right here, whereby it's a different blade on their website. Okay. Now, It's a clicking lever, 5 clicks, but the clicks, you can't really hear the clicks. I don't say it's a bad or good, you know. So it depends on you if you like more clicks, if maybe you like to hear more clicks, you know, or not. And now sound check. So now it's a full metal body and it's not robust, you know. It's somehow slim. I don't know. Okay. Yep. So what I found out, it's a little bit quieter if you put this cam follower. It sounds more nice on my ear when I put this cam follower. And for those of you thinking what type of motor is in here, it's not a brushless motor, it's a brush motor, a rotary motor. Okay. So now let's try it out. It sounds, I mean, more better with this cam follower. Okay, what's the difference? So I didn't zero gap it or something like that, I just screwed it. You hear that? Sounds really better with this cam follower. I guess, I don't know where I got this cam follower, but it looks like the one of our TPOB cam follower. So I don't know. Sounds more better now, really better. So I don't think the RPMs would change or something like that. Okay, it changes. Before it was 7,500 RPMs. Okay. Okay. It's really better with this cam follower. This is Edo Unboxing of Fish. Welcome to another episode, man. Peace.